guys, it's your boy the Foreman back with another video today. And today we hitting some TCG action. But before we get into the first match, well, not the first match, the only match that gonna be on this video, because I find that sometimes these games will stay so long. We're gonna be opening some Shining Fates and some Fusion Strike and some battle cells to see if we can pull anything or get any hits. So we about to hit the first Shining Fates here. Let's see if we could get anything. Any hits. We got a shiny Sandaconda and we got a Cormorant. Let's see. Got a shiny Carbonite and a Frostmoth. Oh, no hits really yet, just Cormorant. Let's see what here next. Reverse Hollow Roulette and Boss's Orders. See, holographic unit. Nah. So as I open these decks, I going to get some more cards. Another boss's orders. These here were pretty cool so far. But you know, I trying to increase my cards. More cards they have. Cards isn't really saying nothing here. I put them, but we'll continue to go. So I don't know how you guys feel about the new upcoming Pokemon Live. I like this visual. You got some good cards that I want to get in real life. Graded on the CGI. Some nice cards that I want. But back to what I was saying. I don't know if you guys heard or have seen that Pokemon is looking to release Pokemon Live trading card game on mobile devices. I can't wait, to be honest. For years I couldn't understand why TCG couldn't be on a mobile phone, but it was like they just carry mobile phones everywhere. Most games making it to mobile, where we can't have a mobile trading card game too as well. But I excited. It got pushed back until 2022, but we'll wait. They say they want it to be great when it's released, and they could agree, get it right. Oh yeah, Gengar V, totally nice. I love Gengar. Gengar used to be always one of my Pokemon that I carried on my teams. Yeah, but if y'all didn't know, my favorite Pokemon for my gang is the one and only Poliwrath. Yes, believe it or not, Poliwrath was my Pokemon that I had in every team going through the game. I just another Gengar V, totally awesome. I do like Poliwrath. I love Poliwrath. So I have Poliwrath from Evolutions, and I graded, and I also have Poliwrath from base set 2. I plan to get graded, but not before PSA carry down those ridiculous prices. When the price drop, then I have a lot of cards that for me to send off. I'm about to see if I can source some booster boxes of VMAX Climax, because I really love those cards, especially from the three evolutions that have Gary in them. Flareon, the Jolteon, and the Vaporeon. I mean, I got all three within my pulse, but I totally love those. They're nice. So these decks were pretty cool. Ah, look, Tundra's VMAX. It's a good one. Sorry, not Tundra's, Tornadoes VMAX. Good one, good one. Good one. So we got two Gengar Vs and a Tornadoes VMAX. It is what it is. Obviously can't pull all the hits one time. But yeah, so as I was saying, yeah, Poliwrath is my favorite Pokemon. You guys could comment down in the comment section which is your favorite Pokemon. I actually got a good Blissey card in VMAX Climax with Nurse Joy. Yeah, that's a fantastic card. I like that art. They honestly getting some good artists for these new cards. So some of these, the artwork on these cards are fabulous. So yeah, remember you can put down in the comment section your favorite Pokemon, so I could read and reply to some of them, you know. But we off to the first battle. I keep saying first. We off to the battle with Nathan 80704. Now, I don't even know how people's come up with these names, but maybe they have over 700 Nathan H's in the world, so he had to be number 704. Who knows? But there's only one Foreman, the kid, and that's me, Foreman, the Foreman. So this game here, I started off with Lugia, and I went out against Tapu Koko. Now, I obviously had disadvantage here because that's Lugia's weakness. And my next card on the bench is a Lugia. Now, remember this is still my first deck since starting over, or whatever you want to call it. Starting back up my house on nice celebration cards. He definitely had to open a lot of cards or do some trading with people or so forth. But yeah, as I was saying, this still my starter deck. I haven't created any new decks yet. Probably would take my time and do that when I'm ready. But this guy deck here, I feel like I can lost to this deck. Because he just got a lot of special cards. You know what playing online is do for me? It's helped me come up and learn some new strategies, I guess, you know, because I be playing against so much different people, so I get to learn some new strategies. But what also made me appreciate more is the rules for competition and so forth, because some people I come against, I just see that playing outside the competition, people could put any cards in the deck, so it don't really go on a real strategy. Because this man may have a semi-strategy, but me looking at his deck, he ain't really have any strategy. Just got a whole set of celebration cards and a mixture of Pokemon. Because he has fighting, he has electric, and he has dark Pokemon. But mostly fighting and electric, it seems. No, I took the first prize with Lugia taking out Tapu Koko. But even with resistance, this card, Urshifu V, can hit me so hard. Even with resistance, I can't 150. But it's 180, but I mean, I can't 150 and it take me out. No. My problem here is that I don't really have any real defense against this man Urshifu. And all whether it was there playing was there telling myself, this man Urshifu can just knock me out all the time. And I ain't gonna really stand a chance here. So I have to do something to get it, to the opportunity to win. I don't know how I can win, but I'll win. So boss's orders, Master Chain, Salamats, which totally annoy me. Like, why you was switching Salamats? Like, you got so much other Pokemon you could have choose to take out, but you choose to bring in Salamats. Now, I guess if you knock out Salamats, you gotta get 2 prizes, which is fair. But I don't know, that was a difficult task. But I'm glad you guys here. Hope you enjoying the game. I believe we can go start like speeding through the games. You tell me down in the comments what you would like to see. When I say a speed through, I mean like how I looking through my cards and looking at his cards and maybe taking some time work and making the video. Making the video extra longer. Now, I got to switch back out for Salamats. I have the Sky Island. The Sky that increases the bench by 3 in play. And I now got Raichu, whose ability is concerning the amount of cards they can have on the bench. Now, Raichu hits pretty much for every card on the bench, so it gives him a good increase, probably to like 120. To 120. But in all seriousness, you can see from me that I ain't had any match. But as I say, I'm going to continue opening some cards, and hopefully that will build up my deck strength to a point where when I meet persons that can have decks like these, that I still stand a chance. No, really truly I did very well, because alright, I made the first prize early, and this man can just continue to pummel my Pokemon into the ground. So I made it very far, because I'm not sure that when this year finish, he can only finish with like one card. I can finish with 1 card. One prize card. So we can get closer down. Even all starting now, so I had already start counting off my death. Cause if you look at this guy he already has Flying Pikachu setting up Flying Pikachu V. No healing Pokemon. He got Alakazam there beefed up. So the guy have everything set right up. Now while battling him, I was just coming up with strategies in my mind and seeing the best possible idea for me to get a W. No, I honestly was looking to see if I could get him to use up all of his cards and so forth, but that was not an option. And to be honest, he had a very annoying deck. Believe it. I would say that it was very annoying. But in the complaints, I lost. So get back up, go again. So my question here today, and he brings out Flying Pikachu V Max next. Tough. Fairly tough. What do you guys think about the price drop in cards? Cards have began to drop very low on the market. So if there are some cards you're interested in, maybe the time to have a look around. They could drop further. Prices could actually go down further. But only time will tell how far it really goes. I really didn't know what to do here, to be honest. He didn't have me panicking, but me, I was still looking for a escape because he has Alakazam and he has Urshifu on his bench. Two Pokemon that was going to be beating Urshifu with 180 move. No, it's 180. 180 scroll. But you guys can tell me what you want to see. If you want to see some more pot openings before we play. I don't know if you guys see it just now, but I made a mistake. I went to put that lightning energy on target case, and I ended up putting it on Zapdos. Now, yes, I had the double colorless energy, but I felt like I missed out on that opportunity to get in target case. And I probably would have been a bit better off if I had gotten in target case there with the tree and the barley. But I missed it out. No, I made a few mistakes within this game. Mind you, like, I really made a couple mistakes. I don't know if they would have saved me from getting beat, but there definitely was a whole some mistakes that I made. You know, as I continue to play less and less, you make those mistakes. Now, so far he only has two prizes. This on damage Urshifu. It's Urshifu V, sorry. Not V Max. So as you can see, he just hit a just hitting my Pokemon hard. Hard, hard, hard. I don't I don't even know what to say here. But I'll give it a heavy storm here and prepare for the next one. Because Urshifu here can't knock me out one time. Urshifu! Rapid straight Urshifu. Single straight Urshifu. This was me trying to come up with a strategy in my head. I don't know the hit points. The hit points doubt, but every card, so I have to click and pick them up. And see, switch out, sacrifice that energy card, bring in the Flying Chunkachu. There you go. Flying Pikachu. Takes out Salamence V. Two cards. He has one card to go. And as you can see, I have 4 prizes. Now, what am I going to do here? Raichu had Flying Pikachu on the ropes. Of course, he can switch out. What do you think was going to happen there, guys? No, he was going to switch out. But I know what he was checking for. To see if he had resistance. But I guess he didn't do the mathematics. So he could have bring in Zacian or anything like that. I don't know why. And then he went for this move to get the energies. I don't know, certain things didn't make no sense. I don't know if he was trying to go easy on me, but as I said from the beginning, I never thought I was going to win this match. Not after you see the cards that he had. Once he did having a lot of V's and VMAXs and so forth, we stand a good chance to win any game. As you can see, he only has one normal card on there, and that's Zapdos. Look at his stat. Everything else is V's. So it was just pain, but I don't give up. Enough people probably would have conceded by now, but you know what? I took the chance and I went and I pulled every card possible from my deck in an attempt to win. And I think that I did a good job. So I don't know, down in the comments, let me see if any of you guys could take what I could do here in order to get down these. Is this going to be my last turn? Of course it's going to be my last turn. For my last turn. If this was Yu-Gi-Oh, I would have been able to attach this other card again, but no matter. I can't make up my mind what I was doing right. Like, I don't even know if anything really make a difference here, but I was just trying nevertheless to see if we could come out here with the W. against the odds being stacked against me. But of course, I ain't coming out there in a W at all, guys. They know it's not. If any of you guys watch it and see anything that I could have done differently to come up with a W, please put it in the comments. Also remember, guys, to like and subscribe. Show your boy support, help the channel grow as I continue into my Pokemon uploads. You can also tell me if you want me to do some PUBG uploads. I will do some more PUBG. No, I haven't done PUBG in a little while, but I'll do some more PUBG mobile. I also have some games to review. I may review some games from the Apple App Store, and just try to keep it fresh and keep it coming. If you guys like to watch these videos with me having matches, let me know. I will also try to see if we can shorten them a little bit, cut out some of the wait time in my editing, so to look and see like how I waiting, and I kind of eating up seconds here with my indecisiveness. I could also try to cut the videos a lot shorter, because this one is about 27 minutes or so, which is fairly long. But these trading card battles could be real long, especially even if I making up my mind quickly and I going through really fast, like zoom 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 zoom, and they going through fast. It don't even matter, because I can come out and make contact with somebody who is takes so long to make every decision. But I never played a game where I try to see what's happening if the time run out. But this is the end, the defeat, and that's all she wrote, guys. So until next time, let's go.